So guys, for the first method, you want to head over to search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on other troubleshooters. And now you want to find Windows Update. Click on run. And now once you're on this, you want to select I can't download, install or uninstall an update. And then just follow through all the steps that will come up and then see if that works for you. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you want to head over to search and type in services. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on any service one time and then click on W on your keyboard. You want to scroll down till we find Windows Update. Double click on it. Make sure that you have the startup type on automatic and then click on start, which will now make the server status running. And then click on OK. And now you want to click on restart. You want to restart the Windows Update service. See if that fixes your problem. For the last method, you want to head over to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now once you're on this, you want to type in ipconfig space / flush DNS and then click on enter. And now you want to type in netsh space winsock space reset and then click on enter again. Now you just want to restart your computer and then hopefully this will not fix your problem.